Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm here finally to do two unboxings today. The two boxes that I have are from an order I placed before we left, and also the second one is spring product, which I earned surprisingly because of your support, and I just really want to share both of these with you today. First of all, because I'm excited about the products I ordered, and secondly, I'm super excited about what's coming for spring. And today being March 1st, the spring launch is now released and we're free to share everything with you. So I've got my knife ready and I'm just gonna get into this first box here. It says on it, "Your kitchen is so excited right now." Well, guess what? So am I. I don't know right now which box this is, whether it is the order I placed or whether it's the spring product. So you're gonna find out at the same time as I am. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna rip through this. So the very first thing I see tells me this is the spring product. This is the stuff that I earned based on the sales that came from you, my beautiful clients. I'm so grateful for. And I think this is why I'm in this business. It's not, for me, it's not as much about making money as it is to earn these products and enhance my kitchen. So, and I am loving all of the pieces that I have and all of the tools that have helped me. And it makes cooking just so much more of a pleasure. So let's start. Pampered Chef stainless steel tongs. Here we go. Ooh! Stainless steel tongs. Oh, there's two sets in here. So these are going to be nice. I just threw out actually a pair that I really hated because they took up too much room in my drawer. These are a little bit more streamlined, so I'm excited for these. They're kind of cute. And there's a smaller pair as well. I don't know if you can see that. So here are the first items out of the box. Stainless steel tongs. Secondly, oh, they have got a lot of new sauces on the spring product list. And this first one is sweet onion sauce. So I think that there are several recipes that I'm going to want to try. Oh, it's one of those. Yeah, okay, you can tell I'm a little bit nervous. Who gets nervous opening a box? Well, I do. Sweet onion sauce. So you could use this on chicken, you could use it on pork. I am excited to find the recipes to go with that. And let's see, this looks like another sauce box. Oh no, this is a bottle brush. Now this is something I've never had for a really long time. I don't have a bottle brush, and so I can't really say that I've got beautifully hygienic bottles and things kicking around here. So maybe now that I have this, I will. It feels like a toilet brush. But it's not. It's for bottles. It's for cleaning our bottles. So, oh yeah. Okay, very nice. Look at that. It's got a nice shape to it. I think this will be helpful to keep things clean around here. I am quite fastidious about that, but you know, you just can never have enough help as far as cleaning goes. I really want another sauce. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a sauce, chili peach sauce. Wow, they have come up with some fantastic flavor combinations. Chili peach, sweet onion, loving that. What's this one? Easy Clean Kitchen Brush. Oh, more cleaning. Maybe they're trying to tell me something. Oh gosh, what could that be? Yeah, this one is gonna take me a minute here. Come on. Oh yes, it matches the bottle brush. And there we go. Oh, why won't it come out? There we go. Oh, lovely. Okay, Easy Clean Kitchen Brush. So what does this say? Use the flat side of the brush to loosen built up food on cookware or bakeware. See illustrations. So there's a kind of a scraper along the edge here, and you can use that on your stoneware and it won't scratch it. And then you just turn it over and scrub with this. So I think I'm going to enjoy using this tool. It's got a nice little emblem in there with the PC logo as well, so they match, and I think that's really beautiful. I'm excited for those. Oh, I've been seeing this online in some of the previews. It's a level and funnel scoop, and I'm gonna give you the scoop on what it is for. So as part of the spring product line, Pampered Chef has come out with a coffee maker. This is huge news because they have been being asked for coffee makers for a very long time, and so they've come out with their first one, and they haven't shipped it out yet to us consultants. So my upline has hers already and she's been demonstrating with it, but I don't have mine yet because I'm just a little lower on the totem pole and they're not ready to send them out. But this is a scoop for coffee grounds. You scoop it in and then just slide this across and it levels it out. And I love that because I'm always putting a little too much coffee into my coffee maker, into the barista holder, so, or whatever it's called. I really like this. It just gives you one level scoop and there's no fussing around with getting a knife or using your hand or anything like that. So this I am going to enjoy also. What's this here? Oh, this is a coated and serrated knife. This is really interesting. Serrated nylon knife. So I don't know why I would need this quite yet, but there might be, wow, you know, this is kind of neat. I'm gonna have to read the product information on this and find out for you what is so exceptional about it. I don't know what these little holes are for, but they must be for something. So I will keep that handy. And here we go. Further. Is this another sauce? Oh, now more to do with the coffee maker. This is a gourmet cherry almond syrup. And I have also been seeing a ton of posts from our other consultants about what they are doing with some of these syrups that are coming in this box today, including recipes that you can bake with and use these syrups, but you can also put them in your coffee for really cool flavored coffees. So this might be one that I'll enjoy. I do love cherries and I do love almond, so we'll see how that goes. And I think there's a couple more in here. Let's see, what's this? Oh, well, this is a pan that I already have, a brownie pan. I ordered it some time ago, and so now I've got two of these. I will not tear this open and show you how it looks, but you can see it's the pretty blue on the back. And the reason I won't tear it open is because I might be able to use this for a giveaway. So stay tuned for that opportunity in the next little while. Here I have got, ooh, a large grill pan. Now what is this for? Let me see. Oh, I need a knife again. Large grill pan. I'm not sure. Modular grill pans don't use aerosol nonstick sprays. They create a sticky, difficult to clean residue if the pan isn't washed immediately. Well, it has a handle, which is kind of neat. This means that you can lift it up and out. The handle just helps you not get burnt. Like that, I guess. I will have to also read up on this because I have no idea. Anyway, this is like a basket. I don't think it fits in the air fryer. It looks a little too big for that. So I will get back to you on this piece. And what's next? Chocolate banana bread. Oh, I've been hearing about this mix too, and apparently it's quite sweet and very nice. You simply need to add the package with 1/2 cup of water, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 ripe bananas mashed up, and mix it in together with this, and you get a nice dark rich chocolate banana bread, which is apparently lovely. So I will be trying this. Actually, I have a banana bread on my counter right now that I made before we left, and I froze it, and it's been a wonderful treat to kind of get us through this jet lag. So I'll be making this in the next week or so, and I will share it with you to see how it turns out. What's this? Ooh, chimichurri seasoning mix. So this is something that I don't often reach for or go to in my cupboard, seasonings like this or this kind of flavor grouping. So this is new for me. I'm excited to try this and find recipes for you to share that I can use that for. And I think, oh, this is quite heavy. Wow, what is this? Let's get the party started. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, I will hang on to that for a second. So here is the final actual item that's in this box, and it is part and parcel of the new coffee maker ensemble, and I personally am going to love this, and I'm going to tell you why. This is this is an electric milk frother. Electric milk frother, you guys. You just sit it down on its little base, which is plugged in, and you put milk into it, and you can steam your milk, or you can froth the milk, and you can add hot water to it as well. I don't know all the ways that it works yet, but I do know that I love a latte and I love a little bit of foam, and I don't generally do that at home because my current coffee maker is the kind that uses the steam on the little wand, and I just always have trouble with that. I can never get it right, and I hate the way that the steam screams at me. So here's the base, and you can look forward to me sharing my coffees with you coming up soon. So yes, this little beauty I think is going to be very exciting for many of my customers. I hope you are going to want to try it out. If you love coffee as much as I do, I'm expecting you're going to want to try this. So the last item on here is that I have on my lap is, I believe, a box of catalogs, and it's the spring catalog. So I'm going to be able to show this to you when you book a party and pass it around, and it's just an easier way to look at what the offering is. And yeah, look at that, here it is. Oh, and they have the new coffee maker on the cover. So if you can see that, it's a bit shiny. The coffee maker is right there. So it's a pod coffee maker, but it has refillable pods options. And I think that I'm going to actually probably love the more streamlined and modern, smaller size on my countertop than the big Breville unit that we have now. So I've got a bunch of catalogs here, at least 50. So I hope that you'll join in and book a party and have some exciting fun with me, and bring your friends along, and we can check out what's in the spring catalog. Thanks for watching.